Good day everyone, I student Martinez from BS Criminology 2C. I learned that Interpol has 195 members countries and also the largest organization in the world. Also the color codes. Red notice is to arrest of wanted person with view of extradition. Yellow notice is to locate missing persons. Blue notice collect additional information about person's identity. Black notice to seek information. Green notice to provide warning. And lastly, orange to warn the police. I discovered the kind of organized crime group. Russian mafia, around 200 Russian groups. La Cosa Nostra, they controlling local businesses in Italy. American mafia, most prominent organized crime group. Yakuza, Japanese crime group. Fokching, Chinese gang. Triads, underground criminal base in Hong Kong. Heijin, Taiwanese gangster. Jiaopo, crime group in Thailand. Lastly, the Redwa gangster from Thailand.